Age cheating is disheartening because we have these games for the youngsters at their age. Yet we have people bringing 25-year-olds to come and compete against these youngsters. And that is very, very disheartening. I do not know, I will not understand what motivates people to bring older people to come and play. Because even if you win this championship and get a trophy, it doesn't really help me as a principal. It doesn't help the people who are going to be playing because they're already past the age of playing in schools, so they're not even going to be scouted, they're already too old, and it denies the people who rightfully deserve to be playing the opportunity to play. So I do not ascribe in any way to the age cheating that you're seeing, and we hope that the Ministry of Education, together with the Kenya Secondary School Sports Association, will be able to eradicate the age cheating so that these games are left for the right age that is supposed to play them.